Alright, today we're looking at the Fireball Tools 3-axis square. This is a big piece of cast iron. You have nice machined surfaces. You can use this thing on the outside as well as the inside. I'll show you the differences in that. This square does have neodymium magnets on the bottom, and you will see there are places here. Those places are to put studs that will match up with the hole spacing on your welding table. I was not able to buy those. They didn't have those in stock at the time, so I will pick those up at a later date. So the way that this works is if you're working with something, say you're doing a box or cube, you have a perfect 90 degrees right here. Go ahead and you clamp in your piece there, and then say you want to build up from there. So you have another piece here that you want to put on. Go ahead and clamp that down. Now you know that you're perfect 90 degrees here as well as here and here. So the way that you would traditionally do that is you build your corner, make sure you're 90 degrees, say you're using another Fireball minion square. Once you had that tacked up, then you would go in and you'd put this on. Problem with putting this on is now you're trying to do two things at once here. And I get it, you can go ahead and you can take and clamp this one here, you can go clamp another one there. Now you've just blocked off pretty much every spot that you had to weld on there. I know there are tons of ways of doing this, and I've done it for a very long time. You can use a speed square on the side here, put a tack in the corner, go in, you can adjust it, move it around, keep playing games with it till you finally get it right. What this allows you to do is to just do everything in one motion while it's fixtured in, and you don't have to waste time going back and forth with this thing or this thing, pulling it out, clamping it, doing all that. Put it in there once, clamp it, weld it, you're done. You're moving on to the next project, moving on to something that's more important than dealing with that. So on the inside here, this does have a pass-through ability. So let's look at maybe like a ladder, for example. You need to push that material through. You need to put a tube right there coming off. You do have a 1 3/4 inch capacity that you can push right through there. If you flip this over to the outside and use it this way, you can push through material here that's 4 inches. So that's what I have here, some 4-inch square tubing. You can see that it doesn't hit the fixture there, and you can use it in the same fashion as if you were on the inside. So here's some 3-inch tubing. Still got it here. You've got the outside area you can use here, and then you've also got this corner up here that you can use it in the same fashion. So again, I know a lot of people are receptive to, they've always done it one way and it's always worked this way. This is just a tool that's going to speed things up for you. So yeah, you can use the bigger material on the inside, but what happens is the fixture itself acts like a stop. So you can still use it this way, which that's handy as well if you want to make a corner there with thicker tubing. You got a perfect 90 here. You can still hop it up on here, but the benefit of using the outside is getting that pass-through ability if you need that. So this is perfect for somebody that doesn't have a ton of fixtures, ton of different tooling for a welding table maybe, or they don't even have a welding table, but they do have a nice flat table. They can utilize this. They can move it around however they need to. So I'll put a link in the description on where to buy this at. They've got a lot of great tools at Fireball, a lot of time-saving tools. So go check them out over there, and thanks for watching.